I tried Swan Bitcoin Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Swan Bitcoin Wallet app, I expected a simple Bitcoin savings app. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Swan isn't just another wallet, it's a disciplined approach to Bitcoin investing built for long-term believers, not short-term traders. On day 1, setup was surprisingly smooth. You create an account, verify your identity, and link your bank account. Within minutes, I was ready to start buying Bitcoin. But here's what caught my attention. Swan focuses on automatic, recurring purchases. You choose how much you want to invest daily, weekly, or monthly, and the app does the rest. It's like setting up a savings plan, but for Bitcoin. By day 2, I began to see why this approach is so effective. Most people try to time the market, buying when prices are high and panicking when they fall. Swan's system removes emotion from the equation. It uses dollar cost averaging, a proven strategy that smooths out volatility over time. Midweek, I tested the transfer and withdrawal process. Funds transferred to my personal Bitcoin wallet in minutes, with clear transparency about network fees. There were no hidden costs or confusing steps. By day 5, I explored the educational side of the app. Swan includes built-in learning resources, expert articles, and even interviews with Bitcoin analysts. It's rare to see a wallet that genuinely helps users understand what they're investing in. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Swan Bitcoin isn't trying to make you trade, it's helping you build real financial discipline. It's less about speculation and more about stacking Bitcoin over time, safely and automatically. If you're tired of emotional crypto trading and want a steady, reliable way to build your Bitcoin position, Swan is one of the best tools out there. It's not flashy, but that's exactly what makes it brilliant.